One of the most valuable ways you can invest using a limited company is actually by using a separate limited company for each property you own. Now you may be thinking to yourself, well, why on earth would you do that? And that's because there's a whole number of advantages that are associated with that manner of ownership. It's everything from tax efficiencies, lower risks associated with the investment, and increased flexibility with your portfolio. Now, separate companies for each property sounds like a hassle, right? Well, actually, no. The whole GetGround platform is designed so it's just as easy to own each property in a separate company than it would be to own all of them in the same company, so that you can access all of the additional advantages without any extra effort and work on your behalf. Your second question may be, well, surely it's really expensive to run separate companies that way. Well, again, the entire GetGround platform is designed so that it's even cheaper to own each property in a separate entity than it is to own them all in one with other typical providers. So if you want to know more about it, check in with GetGround and we'll explain everything in more detail.